Hello and welcome to Mum Cooks. Today I'm going to be making one of my favourite cakes, gingerbread, and this one is gluten-free. So for this recipe we're going to melt some of the ingredients into the pan and then add the dry ingredients. So let's get started. So into the pan we're going to put 100 grams of butter, 150 grams of golden syrup and 150 grams of treacle. Add to that 100 grams of sugar. I have a mix here of brown sugar and white sugar, but you can use anything you like. Then we're going to turn it onto a low heat and give everything a good stir. So everything is melted together and we've got a lovely thick black treacle there. Delicious. Okay, turn your heat off. And to that we're going to add 225 grams of gluten-free flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Perfect, and give everything a good stir. And now the all-important spice. I have 2 teaspoons of ginger and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. That ginger really smells strong. Delicious. That's looking fab. And our last couple of ingredients are 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of milk. Okay, so I've got a rectangular tin here that I've greased and lined, and I'm going to pour my mixture in. It's quite liquid, but don't be worried. Oh, this looks so good. I can't wait. So we're going to pop that in the oven at 160 degrees for 45 minutes. So my gingerbread was in the oven for 45 minutes and I've taken it out and allowed it to cool a little. And now I'm just going to put a lovely little drizzle topping on. Now all it is half a lemon and some icing sugar mixed together, and it makes this beautiful little lemon drizzle which complements the gingerbread absolutely beautifully. That really is delicious.